This is my Nook HD Plus and the charger that came with it. As I've mentioned before, this charger unit cost $25 retail to replace. Fry's was selling it $5 off recently, but here in Target, let's see if I can show you this. It's being sold at clearance for $17.48. You might be able to get it at a better deal. This is your mileage may vary. Also being sold on clearance was the HDMI kit for $19.98. This usually runs $39.99, so it's half off. So maybe at your local Target, both of these items are on sale. I guess they're gonna get rid of all the Nook tablets at Target. That's it. Your mileage may vary. Oh, that's really cheap. The HDMI kit, it's only $20 at Target.
Oh, really?
Yeah, if I want to do HDMI.
It's 50% off.
This one's for the Power Kit, $17.48.
It's 30% off.
So it's on sale.